Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you looking to breathe new life into your hair with a product that promises strength, shine, and hydration? Well, today I'm sharing my thoughts on the R+Co BLEU De Luxe Reparative Conditioner. This conditioner is designed to hydrate, strengthen, and repair, while also being vegan, sustainable, and cruelty-free, making it a top contender for anyone who wants to give their hair a healthy boost. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an honest review from us here at Beautyistic. Now let's talk about what you're really here for, the R+Co BLEU De Luxe Reparative Conditioner. This product comes in a 6.8 ounce bottle and claims to deliver intense hydration and strength while repairing damaged strands. It's formulated for all hair types, which is a huge plus since it works universally, whether your hair is straight, wavy, curly, or coily. And if you're wondering about the ethics behind it, rest assured it's cruelty-free and vegan, which aligns perfectly with the growing demand for environmentally conscious products. In terms of ingredients, this conditioner leverages high-performing botanical extracts, but without delving into proprietary blends, what stands out is its ability to deeply nourish the hair while protecting it from future damage. It also works to bring back that beautiful shine we all love to see. Now, let me share my experience using this product. I incorporated the R+Co BLEU De Luxe Reparative Conditioner into my regular hair care routine, applying it after shampooing. The texture is creamy but not too heavy, which made it easy to work through my hair. It felt smooth and soft from the first application, and I really appreciated how it rinsed out effortlessly, leaving no residue behind. My hair felt instantly hydrated and significantly softer, which is always a win for me. What impressed me most was how my hair felt after blow drying. It had a noticeable shine to it, and it didn't feel weighed down or greasy, which can sometimes happen with more hydrating conditioners. Over the course of a few uses, I noticed that my hair looked healthier, and the damage from heat styling seemed less noticeable. It didn't just hydrate, it genuinely helped improve the texture of my hair. Now, every product has its pros and cons, right? Let's break it down. On the positive side, the conditioner is incredibly hydrating without being heavy. It also delivers that shine and softness, and I love that it's cruelty-free and vegan, aligning with eco-conscious beauty trends. On the flip side, if you have fine hair, you might find that it needs to be used in moderation. A little goes a long way, and you don't want to overload your hair with too much product. When it comes to value for money, at its price point, I'd say it's justified if you're looking for a high-quality, nourishing conditioner. It delivers on the promises it makes: hydration, shine, and strength, without leaving your hair feeling weighed down. Plus, the sustainable packaging and vegan formulation just sweeten the deal for anyone who's mindful of what they're putting in their hair and on the planet. Now, is there anything like this on the market? Well, yes, there are other vegan and cruelty-free conditioners, but R+Co BLEU stands out for its ability to hydrate while offering strength and shine in one bottle. If you've tried other premium conditioners but found them to be too heavy or lacking in long-term benefits, this one could be a great alternative. The build quality of the product is solid, and the bottle feels premium. I haven't noticed any issues with leakage or difficulty in dispensing the product, which is important for a conditioner. It's easy to use and seems to last a while, so it's worth the investment if you're looking for something that'll keep your hair feeling healthy over time. By the way, if you're interested in trying it, I've linked it in the description box below. Just click and grab yours. And if you're still not sure, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss any more honest reviews like this one. Now let's talk about customer support. I've had positive interactions with R+Co in the past, and their customer service is known for being helpful and responsive. If you ever have issues or questions, rest assured they'll be there to help guide you through. As for alternatives, if you're on a budget, there are certainly options, but none quite like this one when it comes to the specific combination of vegan, cruelty-free, and reparative qualities. If you're willing to spend a bit more for something that works and aligns with your values, this is a solid choice. To wrap things up, the R+Co BLEU De Luxe Reparative Conditioner definitely lives up to its claims. It's a great product for anyone looking to add some strength, shine, and hydration to their hair, and I'd recommend it to those who value clean, ethical beauty products. I think it's best for those with hair that needs some extra TLC, whether you're dealing with damage from heat styling or just want to improve overall hair health. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product or are thinking about trying it, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.